Good day. So today we'll be doing Google Analytics. As you can see, this is a demo account. So once you go to the homepage of the Google Analytics, you can do this for any store, right? That takes you to the homepage, which is the audience overviews. You can see there's some graphs and charts, right? So the graphs and charts shows us, as you can see here, these are the users. So far, it's giving us the daily, and it's from the date of the 31st of May to the 6th of June currently. Below this, it gives you more data, like pie charts and more graphs, right? So it's users, new users, sessions, all that can be found on the homepage. If you want to go more in depth, there's a date here which you could change, right? So currently we're just looking between the 31st to the 6th of June. So your data range could be changed as well. You can do a custom, right? So you can do the last 30 days, and once you click apply, it'll just take a few seconds, and you'd see your data will change of the amount of users. You can see like Friday the 13th of May, you had about 3,000 users. Saturday 21st of May, you had 1,800. From here, you can also compare, if you want, to the previous. So here's the 8th of May 2022, and then you do 2021. The 8th of April 2021 to the 7th of May 2021, and do April to the 7th of May. And then you click apply. So yeah, you can compare 2 years, right? So over here is the 1 year, right? This is the orange line would give you now the year of 2022, April to May, and the blue line gives you 2022, April to May. From here, you can scroll down to give you better comparisons, as you have pie charts, and it'll show you the number of users and new users compared to, well, comparing 2021 to 2022. On the right hand side, you have two pie charts, one giving you 2022, the other one giving you 2021. You can see the increase or the decrease between the 2 years, whether it's new users or returning users. So upon comparing these two, you can see that between 2021 and 2022, the percentage of returning visitors has increased, but new visitors has decreased from 84.7% in 2021 to 81.3% in 2022. So that's how we could compare the years, and now we're just going to take comparison off, and we're going to stick to this 8th of April to the 7th of May. Alright, so here we go. We're back to one single line chart, and within audiences, we can just scroll and give a look at demographics. So in demographics, you can check the overview you get within the overview. So it will give you the age. So roughly your age gaps will mostly visit your website, and then your gender as well. It's given to you in a pie chart between your males and females who visit or use your website. From this data alone, you can basically say that yes, majority of people that visit your website or use your website are, in this case, they are males between the age of 25 to 34. So from here we can go in depth, and we can click on just age. So from here, here's the graphs, right? So each line gives you now the audience, obviously being 25 to 34, each one consists of a different age group. If you scroll down, here's basically the overview, right? So you have your age gaps, and then next to that you can basically see the percentages as well as the amount of people of new users, and the sessions, the bounce rates, all that can be seen once clicked into age under demographics. So once you've analyzed all of this underneath age, as you can see your transactions as well. What age gap is spending more money or purchasing more throughout your website, which currently is the age gap of 25 to 34. As you can see, 335 transactions, sitting at 33.74%, and the amount spent between age gaps, so 41, right, so that's 31%, 31.82%. And then we can go to gender as well. So gender also shows you between male and females. It shows you which gender is basically using your website more. So it will show you users, new users, sessions, bounce rate, straight through all the way to revenue and e-commerce conversion rates. All that data can be collected over here. So once you're done with gender, you can go to your geographics, your behavior, technology, seeing which, like what people are using mostly to go onto your website, whether it be cell phones, laptops, iPads. All of those can be gotten over there. Next we will be going to acquisition. So here we can get the overview of traffic basically, but we will be focusing on Google Ads and more specifically campaigns to see which campaigns are bringing in more customers in this, like in the aspect of users as well as new users. So here we can see all the campaign ideas like used by the company. We can see which ones are bringing in the most users, the most clicks, then the cost per click. Currently it's this test over here which is bringing in about 5,591 clicks, and the percentage of that is given as well as 35.47%. As you can see, they have numerous campaigns. From here you can also compare if, like, how can I say, so you get cost side, so you can see how much they spent on each campaign, and then you can compare it to how much they received back in return, seeing if they broke even or made profit from these campaigns as well. So there we go. As you can see, we have $2,472 spent, and here we can see that the revenue was $4,658. So as you can see, they've doubled basically of what they spent, meaning that they made profit from this specific ad campaign. Once you've done going through acquisitions in your Google ad campaigns, we can go to the behavior of our customers and potential customers. And so we have an overview, which will give us all the data needed. As you can see here, so we have the charts as well, again, page views, and you can change it as well. So average time on page, the bounce rates, you can check all of those over here. It's just a general overview. On that we can go to conversions, and then from here go to e-commerce. We can look at the overview, we can look at the shopping behavior, checkout behavior, product behavior, sales, performance, and product list. So we'll look at the shopping behavior. So here we get the all sessions, which is sitting at 89,246, 246, and here it will tell us that over here we have 86,224 people, which is 96.61% of no shopping activities. If we go down, it will also tell us new visitors and returning visitors. Currently we have 62,192 new visitors with a return of 27,054 visitors. There are more data that you can receive from this page if you scroll all the way to the top. So we can see, like I said earlier, all sessions, which was 89,246 people. And then you can get your sessions with product views, which was 0. Your sessions with add to basket, which was 0. And then sessions with checkout, which was 2,970. And sessions with transactions, meaning people that paid and bought products. As well, I told you these already. And then your checkout, the ban people that went to checkout, but either realized they did not want the product or can't afford the product. So once you've analyzed all the data within the shopping behavior, you can as well go check out the checkout behavior, product behavior, sales, product list performance. I would like to go to the product performance. From here you can see which products are doing the best and those that are struggling, and obviously work on those that are struggling. So here we go, the product revenue. Alright, so it's on a daily. And then if we scroll further down, we'll have all our products on the left. So as you can see, Google Incognito, the back V2, all the way down to Google Crew-Neck sweatshirts. And then here we go, the product revenues. You have your unique purchases. And then as you can see, currently at number 10, Google Crew-Necks are only 3,000. So we've analyzed quite a lot within the Google Analytics, but this is not all. There are more things that you can find out, or the company can find out throughout Google Analytics, as I've shown you. And I'll be ending my video here. Thank you very much for watching it.